Cracking the code. Spotting the object in SVOC sentences. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to tackle an essential part of English sentence structure. We will focus on the subject-verb-object complement, SVOC, pattern, specifically the object part of it. Recognizing the object in a sentence will help you understand the dynamics of English and improve your overall comprehension. Let's get started. Before we dive into objects, let's quickly remind ourselves what an SVOC sentence is. SVOC stands for subject-verb-object complement. The subject is the doer of the action, the verb is the action itself, the object is the receiver of the action, and the complement describes or provides more information about the object. Here is an example. Sarah, subject, gave, verb, John, object, a present, complement. The object in an SVOC sentence is crucial, as it's the receiver of the action. The verb happens to the object. In our example, John is the object, as he is the one receiving the action of the verb, gave. Without an object, the action doesn't have a clear direction, and the sentence may feel incomplete. How can we spot the object? Well, here are a few steps. 1. Find the verb. Look for the action in the sentence. This is usually the verb. 2. Ask, who, or what. After identifying the verb, ask, who, or what, received the action. The answer to this question is typically the object. 3. Check for the complement. The object usually comes before the complement, which provides more information about the object. Let's practice with a sentence. She, subject, bought, verb, a car, object, of her dreams, complement. Practice identifying the object in SVOC sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. The teacher taught the students a new chapter. 2. My father gave me advice. 3. She sold the old man a rare book. In these sentences, identify the verb, then ask, who, or what, received the action. The answers, students, me, and old man, are the objects. Great job, everyone! Now you have the tools to identify the object in SVOC sentences. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Keep practicing, and soon spotting the object in an SVOC sentence will become second nature to you. Until next time, happy learning!